Hi friends, making classified ads portal is always been in trend in the web world because it always been a great medium of earning from the web and portals. If you have decided to make a classified website, this video is for you. And in this video I have a great and you can say number one best classified WordPress theme. This is called Classy Ads and it is a pure classified ads theme, a complete WordPress classified directory listing solution. Classy Ads is all-time number one premium classified ads WordPress theme on the Theme Forest, and it is a perfect choice for business, super flexible, rich with features, availability. A lot of thought and care were put into the ads, making it a pleasure to use. So in this video we are going to install Classy Ads WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content, review the theme options and rest of the customization options. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme which you are going to select having what feature and what you can do with the selected theme. This is one of the website on your screen made with the Classy Ad WordPress theme, and it can present the content very well. It has a very stunning and clear look, and you can see the layout and the home page, how stunning it is. And if we talk about the inner pages has also been built very aesthetically, and it presents the content in a very serious and to the point manner. I am showing you a single listing. This is a single listing page, and it has all the information available on the page which are classified ads type like website should present. This is being the another website using Classy Ads, which is specifically for the motor vehicles and cars, you can say, and it is also very popular and it has also great look. Classy Ad brings multiple layouts for you, and you can choose any for your classified ad website project. And the best thing is that all the pre-made website comes in both popular page builder, that is Elementor, and WP Bakery page builder. So there are multiple demos available and you can choose as per your website project requirement. I am sure one of these pre-made website is going to match your requirement, and I am going to add the link of this information in the description of this video, where you can even get this theme and choose the hosting plan as well as you need. Let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress with me, in which the 2021 WordPress theme had been installed, and it is running on WordPress version 5.7.2. It is the latest version as on date for WordPress, and I have the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have licensing, some plugins has been given like JS Composer, Revolution Slider and Ultimate AC add-ons. The Classy Ads main theme file and the child theme file, and design Envato templates has been given separately. So we will see how to use these elements in the website. To begin the installation, we have to go in the themes section of WordPress, and click on add new. upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose Classy Add Pro.zip file. Remember, you have to choose Classy Add Pro.zip file. Don't choose other file by mistake, as many people are coming to me that after choosing a wrong file and they are saying that their theme is not being installed and they are facing trouble in it. So choose the correct file. This is Classy Add Pro.zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file to the WP Content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time and I shall be able to show you the theme file size in this manner. And Classy Add Pro is being uploaded now, and the theme file size is really optimized. It is having just a size of 6.44 MB, and you can assume how optimized it is. A general and a standard WordPress theme comes with a 15 to 20 MB in size, and Classy Ads is just having 6.44 MB size, and this is why it is going to work very fast on your website, as the code quality is very good. I have seen in the background, and this is why this theme has been selected to be on this channel, because WP Themes channel always bring a carefully handpicked WordPress theme, plugins and utilities for you. Let the theme upload complete, and we have to wait on this screen, and once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. The extraction outcome is this Classy Add Pro folder, in which we got all the theme components, folder and files. Now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted it, and don't get confused. Both the activities of uploading theme are same. Either you can upload the theme file in WP Content Themes folder, or you can use this WordPress interface to upload the theme. Choice is yours. As per your convenience, you can use any of these. Don't repeat the process. And since we have uploaded the theme, we can go back to the theme section of WordPress, and now we have Classy Add Pro as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details. This is Classy Add Pro version 5.9.4. It is a beautiful, professional and ultimate WordPress theme made by the Design Invento. Let us activate it. And upon activation, we got landed on a page which says install required plugins. This is plugin installation page in fact, and a plugin called Design Invento Templates is already pre-packed here, which is required, but we are not going to install this plugin from this interface. Remember, we are not going to install this plugin from this interface. We will use this plugin as provided in the theme pack, and for this we have to go in the plugin section and add new feature, and click on upload plugin, choose file, and this Design Invento template has been given separately in the theme pack. You have to choose this file, Design Invento -templates.zip. Click on install now. And it may take okay, so it has been installed, and we can activate this plugin now. Okay, so main plugin is design inventor templates has been installed, and now we are again on the same screen, which is saying that we need to install certain plugins for using this theme. Let us check the list of plugins which has been recommended or required. These are the list of plugins which has been recommended, and out of these, 2 are required. This is Classy Ads Pro Core and WP Bakery Page Builder. Rest of plugins are only recommended, and you can even skip to install any of these plugins, but I am selecting all the plugins for installation because I need to showcase all the theme features to you. Later, if we are not going to use any of these plugin, we can deactivate and delete any particular plugin. So I always advise not to keep those plugin which you are not exactly using at your website. Just deactivate and delete it. It is a security threat for if you are not using any plugin and you are keeping in the WordPress installation, it is not good for your website. So let us check Classy Ads Pro Core is available in the theme pack or not. So Classy Ads Pro plugin is not available in the theme pack, so we will use this interface, install required plugins interface to install this plugin. Since it is a core plugin, I am installing it separately. And it has been successfully installed. We are going back to the required plugin installer and activating the Classy Ads Pro Core plugin, and now this plugin is also activated. Now we are fine to install rest of the plugins, and I am choosing to install all the rest of plugins. This is 14 plugins. I am installing all these 14 plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And if you are ordering Classy Ads WordPress theme at WP Themes website along with a hosting plan, you shall be getting the same capacity hosting as you are watching on the screen. And now all the 14 plugins got installed within a minute. You can see the capacity of this hosting, and I always recommend to use a good hosting plan for your website, because a fast loading and perfect hosting can make your website successfully. Since we have installed all the plugins, we can go back to the required plugins installer screen. Now we need to activate all the installed plugins. I am choosing the plugins for activation in a single go. You can activate these plugins one by one. Again, if you are feeling that your server is not so compatible or having less potential, so I am activating all the plugins in one go. You can activate these one by one. And now all the plugins along with the theme has been installed successfully, and all plugins has been activated. We can check our website how it looks with the Classy Ads WordPress theme and all set of plugins. It is loading up. My internet is not running on full pace today. I am in fact using mobile internet. This is being the basic look of Classy Ads WordPress theme, and it is a core look. It is a look without any demo content, without any data. The theme has been installed and all set of plugins has been installed. Now you can start building your website scratch from here, since plugin and themes are available for functionalities, and you can design your website as you need. But mostly people are using already pre-made website, and for which the demo content is required. So I am proceeding towards the installation of demo content. Let us find where the demo content option is available. This is Classy Ads dashboard, theme setup, icon library, tutorials and theme setting, and I am also looking for the import option. And I must tell you, this theme uses Redux framework, which is a very wonderful framework for WordPress development, and it works very fine. I am looking for the option where the demo content can be imported and designed. Innovator templates is here. Let us see what is it. Okay, so this is setup wizard. Will set up your theme, install plugins, import content. It is optional and should take only few minutes. So let us proceed with this option. This is design innovator templates option, available under the appearance tab, and I am clicking on start. Okay, so these are the options available for import, and all these options are available for import, and you can choose any of these available options as per your requirement and choice. And in fact, these are many options. And let us check, have we installed the Elementor or not. I am not sure about this. If we choose Elementor layout, the system should install the Elementor as well, but as of now I believe Elementor has not been installed. Only WP Bakery was installed. And this is the screen of installed plugins, and WP Bakery is available, Elementor is not available here. So you can choose the Elementor layout as well, this is not a problem. And if you want to choose Elementor, it is also available equally, but I am choosing the WP Bakery because the theme has been actually made for WP Bakery. Elementor is a later add-on, as I assume, and it should work very fine with the WP Bakery. So I am selecting the very first one, considering it default theme, and I am selecting this, and it is selected. What the next screen says, it is next is here, so I selected the layout which I need for website and clicked on next. You are up to speed, and we have already finished the installation of required set of plugins. This is why this screen is here, and we can click on install. Okay, so import a starter site. Let us import content to your website to help you get familiar with the theme. Make sure that you reset the site default installation value. Okay, that is fine. So here we can choose what content we want to install on the website for the demo content, and all is available. Since we are making a fresh website, we should check all, and it is by default already all checked, so we can start the import. And now the import process has begun, and the screen is saying the progress. So remember, you cannot refresh or leave this page until the demo content gets complete, and it is a very necessary activity for creating the demo like website. So as we seen in the beginning of this video, and our target website is this one. This is Classy Ads Ultra, and it is being imported, and the progress bar is saying the progress, and the speed is, my internet speed is slow. This is why it is taking time. So it may take up to 10 minutes, so you have to be here with your due patience, and don't refresh or leave this page. However, you can use another tabs for the time being until the process gets complete. And we reach on this screen. All done, have fun. The theme has been all set up. Enjoy your new theme by Design Invento, and some extras are here. Explore Design Invento. Okay, fine. So this is the final screen after the demo import, and now we can view our website. I believe we got a very wonderful website in this activity, and yes, it is really. So all the theme components are here. The complete ready website is available with us, and we are fine to use our website for putting the original content. And let us compare with the demo website. This is the demo website, and this is being our website APKI. Okay, so okay, so Google Map API is required. So definitely Classified Ads website needs a map function, and the Google Map API is required for that, and you need to create Google Map API separately because it is a paid activity and it cannot be bundled with the theme. And this is the website, and only menus are not coming up. I'll check why this is not. And this is already logged in, as I am working as administrator of this website, so I am already logged in. And this is login feature and post ad. I'll show you all these functions of this website. First of all, let us check with the menu. Under appearance, there is menu tab. And there is nothing in the menu. This is why it is not being shown. So we can simply add the pages to the menu as in demo. So home, listing, categories, blog, contact, whatever you want to add. So I am just willing to show you all functions are working properly. So we can check the pages. This is home, blog, and what is next? Categories, contact. Okay, fine. Categories and contact, and okay, login and register link is here, so it is already here, and it is fine. Now I am adding all the selected one to the menu and save the menu. I believe it has already been assigned to the primary navigation. Okay, it has been assigned. So secondary navigation, third, fourth navigation can be set here, and our website should be fine now with menu as well. Okay, wonderful. So menu is also here. Post your ad. Let us check this. For the time being, we can deactivate directory paste map plugin because it is bringing this alert until we configure the API key. And this is the post add option, and it is loading up, and it is taking extra time. Let us check the permalink structure. All the pages are here and it is not working. I mean, it is not loading up and it is available. So let us check the htaccess file. In fact, it can be done through the permalink structure in the settings. So I am going to setting and permalink, and I am simply clicking on the plane just to test where the pages are working fine or not. Later we can handle this as well. So I just set it to the permalink, and now again I am clicking to the post your ad, and it is fine. So the structure, permalink structure needs to be updated, and let us first deactivate directory paste map plugin. It is trouble for the time being. Okay, directory paste maps, we can deactivate it. It is bringing alert again and again, and we can use the map and all this function after putting the API. And now we are fine with the website, and this is being the add listing page, and now we can click on submit and create a new package required. So it has to be controlled in the admin area, and these are the listing fields which is available for a listing, and there are many values. So listing can be done through this page, and all such information can be put here. Now since we have installed the website theme and all the plugins with the demo content, we are fine to check the rest of functions. I'll show you the rest of functions what we got in this installation. This is Classy Ads dashboard, and I'll just open the main website first. I just want to show you the rest of pages as well. So this is home, blog, categories, and let us check what pages we got in the demo content. This is blog, cart. This is basically for WooCommerce activity, checkout, contact pages here, listing page, locations, message, my account. Okay, so pick a new password, and these are the basic pages available. Basically home page is more prominent in listing type website, so rest of pages are dependent on the listing only. So listing comes through the listing area, and I'll show you the dashboard now. Classy Ad dashboards. Okay, so this is welcome to Classic Ad dashboard, and WP memory limit is showing less. However, it is fine, but it can be simply set. I'll set this. So it is simple, but I'll show you how we can do this. WP multi INI manager is here, and okay, so this is we need to select our website, and memory is already 512, so just hit on submit, and let us check again. Okay, so it needs to be done through the wp config, and I can show you this as well. So we just need to put a line in the wp config. In fact, so I'll show you how you can do this. If this message is also coming to you, wp config, and click on edit, and before all set, we can all, that's all, stop editing and put this line is here and save settings. So we have edited the wp config as well, and now it should be fixed. Okay, great, all is green now. So it was simple, and if you have any trouble, you can write in the comment section of this video. I'll definitely help you. So PHP version is updated, and all such features are very green, so it is very important. This is why I was fixing all this. Anyway, so this is classified at dashboard, and theme setup is here. We have already done this, and we have a valid license as well. So like icon, library, tutorials, theme settings. So we will go for the theme setting directly, because rest of things are okay. Icon library is here, so you can choose the icons for your website here. And now we are going to the theme setting screen, and this is the main control of website, and these are the options available to control your website. This is general setting, and content width and taste of things are here. Okay, header setting is here. Header skins, toolbar, contact info, header social networks, header login register, header toolbar, header logo, header listing button, header listing search, header background, and header layout. So multiple settings are available for header, and this is mobile header. So same options are available, almost same for the mobile as well. Footer option is here, so you can choose multi-column or any type of footer here, and the logo change can be changed here. Okay, typography option is here. Skin, preloaders, backgrounds, blog, WooCommerce, third-party API, and here you need to change the Google Map API, which was causing trouble, and this is invalid, and you have to create your own, of course. Manage theme speed. Okay, so theme optimizer is also here, and import export function is here. So all settings are able, all controls is here for your website, and let us check what is next. And directory press is here. So directory press is very important plugin in the classified ads website. So it is a wonderful thing, and you can, this is available, and fields, locations, directory types can be set here, and it is very important. So you can set all the basic fundamentals of listing here, and the fields can be decided here, and locations can be set here, country, state, and city. Directory types is also important, business, and you can always add new directory type. Packages, free, normal, and we have already seen this package option on the front end, and this is the directory press setting. Okay, so this is directory press setting, payment setting, front end submission, user panel. So skin is here, payment setting, it is very important screen, front end submission, user panel, so you can enable or disable things from here, listing features, listing panel skin, listing setting. So again, general setting, social sharing, breadcrumb setting, author page, related listing, listing logos and images, single listing page, single listing slider, description, expert listing styling, and now it is category setting, category styling, page and views, archive page, sorting setting, miscellaneous, location setting, general setting, location styling, pricing and plans, pricing and plan styling, search setting, main search box, search fields, search bottom, address setting, email notification, reCAPTCHA setting, and oh my god, so this is a broad option in fact. Now we can proceed towards other options. Pages are common in WordPress. So this is the listing, and this is another very important section of a listing website, and these are the listings. Okay, so I'll show you one of the listing so that we may understand what fields are available in the listing. And this is edit listing. Okay, so these fields can be configured in the directory press as I shown you, and this is the listing area, custom fields, uploads, and it has been all configured to the directory press, and these are the options for a listing, these are information, and okay, fine. So listing, so create new listing, listing categories, listing location, listing tags, taxonomy order is available in the listing section. Messages are here, so all messages can be handled from this section of control panel. And okay, so WooCommerce products, so WooCommerce and rest of WooCommerce things are here. So these are WooCommerce group appearance as common in clients is, and additional employees, additional testimonials is also additional in the WordPress installation. I am comparing, these are additional things. Access Press social login, this is also important. This features gives the visitors to log in with a social account, and rest of things are as common as in WordPress. So we got a very broad website in this activity and having multiple feature in the background for controlling a listing website, directory website, and this is of course a complete listing and directory WordPress theme and classy ads, as this is why it is considered to be number one. And I'm actually happy to record this video and finalize this video, because this is being the 8th or 9th video in this category, I mean in directory and listing category. So you have many options to select the themes on this channel, and on the WP Themes website you can choose any. So just explore all the options, allow your time, devote your time. It is very important to select a wonderful theme for your project. So this is the main activity for making your website successful. So this is why these videos are being recorded at this channel, to showcase all the features. So you might have certain questions regarding this theme, and you are free to write in the comment section of this video, and I'm also adding the link of my website where you can get in touch with me directly, and I will definitely try to resolve your queries. So I believe you shall be able to make a wonderful website using this theme, and we are going to meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Keep building.